Hi, I'm Charlie Roadman, Austin criminal defense attorney, and today I want to talk about probation, specifically the day of starting probation. Now, the first part of the day after arriving at court involves filling out the paperwork with me or your attorney, and then the second step is completing the probation intake form. This document includes basic demographic data and requires 3 references. Now, they're not going to contact the references, but you should provide a name, address, and phone number for 3 other people. Once that's done, we go in front of the judge. And a misdemeanor plea takes typically 2 to 3 minutes. You plead no contest, the judge confirms your identity, and then they proceed. Now, afterwards, you'll meet with an in-court probation officer who will go over the conditions of probation with you. There are about 40 different conditions, but the main ones are you can't drink alcohol, use drugs, or get rearrested. And you must comply with whatever they instruct you to do. Now, the in-court probation officer will give you a probation assignment form, which tells you to expect a call from the probation office within 48 hours. However, if you do not hear from them, you must call them at 512-854-3623. In other words, it is your responsibility to make sure the phone call happens. And if you owe court costs or fines, the form will direct you to a central collections office on the first floor of the courthouse, and you can pay or make payment arrangements there. After the first call with a probation officer, you'll be given instructions on the next meeting with the probation officer, which may be in person at the North Unit on Burnett Road or the South Unit, McKinney Falls Parkway. After that, you'll have regular meetings with your probation officer, typically every month, though this may be reduced to every couple of months depending on your progress. And if you're doing well, they often make the check-ins by phone. All right, I hope that helps.